Manipur top channel ki maikei digi myam na paung katang share tawjage maduri Chief Minister N Biren Singha na post tawbirakpa ngak minute kunthra gani thogi mamang na post tawbirakpa post ang katang myam na mu repost tawjage post na makhata Nepali maduri Ti Baisong IT Road Kangpokpi district ta hanjana landslide thoklay aduga mayam na poppy plantation gumba amasung deforestation tawbugumbusi tokpiyu aduna tragadi asigumlaba landslide si makatana su state sida thokigani haina Chief Minister N Biren Singha na phongdorakpa wafam khara mayam na mu share tawjabani yamnam laibak thiba masum nungaitaba paw amadi ore mayam video footage tendak na mayam na hapsaramgi mayam yeng tamsi.
Once again, a massive landslide has occurred here at Lamlen Kon TY Chong today this morning. A stretch of about 100-200 meter road has been covered with all the debris, and not only that, the landslide has affected so many paddy fields around. You can see there, that is the paddy field which has been affected, and also because of this landslide, movements of vehicle has been disrupted at the moment. As I have told you, around 200 meters stretch of this IT road has been covered with debris, and waters are flowing on the road and even in the paddy fields. So this is the, if I'm not mistaken, this is the third time this year that this kind of landslide has occurred. Many times the government has taken initiative, but this time around the landslide is very huge, and then it is creating a lot of problems. Many times the local came together and then we tried to clear the debris, and even our Honorable Minister Awangbo has also cleared the debris once under his initiative, but this is the fourth time again around. And this time around, the stream which flows from Lamlen Kon Nala has changed its track and came down to this directly. The water is flowing on this directly come to the, and then it's flowing on the paddy field down here. So this is my, now seeing this condition, I on behalf of the people of IT Road request our Honorable CM Birenji, and then also our concerned ministers, our MLAs and our ex-MDCs, and also social workers, leaders, our friends in the media, in social networks, in social media, to come together and highlight these issues so that at the earliest the government can take up the initiative and clear these debris, so that in this time of pandemic, even the flow of essential commodities like rice, etc., will not be disrupted, and people will not face any difficulty. So once again, it is my humble appeal to everyone seeing this video to share, and as well as so that our grievances of Tuilang area can be forwarded and people will come to know, and the government will take action immediately. Thank you one and all.